Wash and peel ginger root. Then grate in a food processor or slice thinly. Dry ginger in the sun or in an oven at 170 degrees F or 65 degrees C. Once the ginger is completely dry, grind into powder with a spice grinder or coffee grinder. Then pass through a sieve or strainer. Homemade ginger powder have a stronger aroma than store-bought. It contains no preservatives or additives. Store in an airtight container for up to 6 months. Homemade ginger powder is made from fresh ginger root that has been dried and ground into powder, so it retains its natural aroma and flavor.